How to fix Netflix app, there's a problem playing the video. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, make sure if your internet is working properly. Then head to the Play Store to check for updates. Tap on the search icon and search for Netflix. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now once you are done, go back to your home screen. Now open up settings. Tap on the search bar. Now, now search for apps. Now tap on apps, click on app management. Now find Netflix. Tap on Netflix, click on force stop, go to storage usage and tap on clear cache. Now restart the application. If your issue is if your issue is still not fixed, wait for updates from Netflix application. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe also for more awesome content. Have a burning question about such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.